What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blazer Grass Lawn Care, and today I'm going to give you 5 habits that are going to sabotage your lawn care business success in 2025. Now, guys, let me tell you, this is the time of the year where I'm making these videos because it is winter time and things are slow. So this is when you need to be auditing your business, checking on your business, making sure you have the right equipment, making sure everything is going right. Get rid of those customers that don't pay. Get rid of these customers that always want free stuff. Remember, guys, you're running a business. So again, this is a time where I take and again to try to give you some hints on what you can work on your business, right? So these are 5 habits that are going to sabotage your lawn care business success in 2025. And the first one, guys, is skipping regular equipment maintenance. I know sometimes you get overwhelmed with the amount of jobs that you have and the season and Mother Nature and all of this and all of that. But guys, let me tell you why this hurts, right? If you if you don't do regular maintenance on your tools, guys, you're gonna have breakdowns during critical jobs, right? And then by the time your equipment actually break down because of something that you could have prevented, it's gonna cost you more. And then you're gonna be backing up in all your jobs, and customers don't want to hear that, right? So you're gonna miss a lot of opportunities. So regular maintenance is a thing. Okay, you have your iPhone, set a reminder. Set a reminder. Okay, so how can you break this habit? Simple. Like I just told you, put it in your iPhone, set a reminder. You know, um, when you do your oil change, get you a little black marker, write down the date when you did the oil change. Anytime you hit your lawnmower up, you can easily see that, and you know the day, you know, that you need to change your oil. Simple things like that. Go to your dealer and have them, have a schedule. Every 3 months you're gonna do this, every so and so, come up with a plan for equipment maintenance. Okay? Number two, underpricing your service. Listen, it's gonna be spring, and for some reason, a lot of people have in their mind the more customers they have, the more successful they're going to be. Now, guys, it's pricing. Knowing how to price your service is where you're going to make your money, right? So, why this going to hurt, guys? Because you're charging too little uh, to compete, and it's so overwhelming, and you guys are going to be overworked and you're going to be underpaid. This is why you don't make what you're supposed to be making and building your business, right? Because you want more customers, and you're pricing where you're barely making it on a daily basis, right? So how do you break that habit? You have to know your costs. Do research on your competitors. See how much they're charging. It doesn't hurt. It'll give you a sense of what you should be charging. And again, everybody shouldn't be charging the same because it's different costs for different companies, but it'll give you a perspective and how much to charge, right? And you have to set a price that reflects, your value while covering expenses and your profit margins. You have to make money. You're in a business, you have to make money. All right. Number three, failing to communicate with customers or clients. Guys, let me tell you why this hurt, guys. Poor communication about your scheduling delays and rainfall. You're under the impression that your customer automatically know that you're not coming. No, guys, listen, this makes your customers unhappy and you can lose business. You become that guy that they can rely on, right? So you have to, just send them a quick text. And how do you break that habit? Again, simple little text, send them a reminder, let them know that you're coming to the property. It's a quick, easy fix. All right. Number four, avoid marketing effort. Guys, you have to stop avoiding marketing effort. You have to market your business, guys. You can't depend on existing customers just, giving you the leads or telling their friends, right? You have to put your name out there. Um, You have to let people know who you are, what you're doing. So how do you break that habit? You dedicate time every week to post on your social media, and you respond to your reviews on Google, and you distribute your flyers and stuff like that, right? So you need to know how to do that correctly. And number 5 is taking every job without a plan. Guys, let me tell you why this hurts you, because you overcommit yourself, too many jobs, wrong type of jobs. You can lead to burnout, and it can lead to bad reputation, right? So you have to break that habit by selecting the jobs and the clients that fit your current business plan, right? So if you're not doing pavers, why take on a paver job? You know, so these are things that you need to kind of pay attention to, right? Guys, let me tell you, just take the time and really evaluate your business, and don't get too overwhelmed in trying to do everything. Get proficient at doing one specific thing and be great at it, okay? The lawn care business is not easy, guys, but it gets easier with time, right? The more you do something, the easier it becomes, and the more you learn from it, okay? So once again, guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And during this time of the year, guys, these are the videos that you're going to get. You're going to get a lot of knowledge. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe. And yeah, see you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.